Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about the define property method in object. So let me show you. What we're gonna do is I'll leave it like that, that would be great. So what we're gonna do, remove this lines, and if you are coding along with me, write this and use object dot property and object 1 comma, and now what we're gonna do, use a string property 1 and use comma, use empty an object, use value equals 42 comma y table, and we'll give him a false. So what we do next is object 1 dot property 1 equals 77, and now if we log it on a console, what's gonna happen? Let's see what's gonna happen. Vote on your phones. Who's gonna win? Is 42 win or 77? Logically speaking, every time when we do change a property in JavaScript, it's always show the latest property, but in only in this case, it will show 42 because it uses a strict method, which will throw an error in here if you log it on a console though. So it will always it do not modifies an existing property, because and always return this property only. So this is what it does. So hope you understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.